Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Tinder application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your Play Store, but make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you are, tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Tinder into the search box and perform your search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result on the next page. This one's the app we are looking for. Tap the install button to get the app downloaded on your Android device. It'll only take a while depending upon your internet speed for the application to be installed. Tinder is an online dating and geosocial network application. Users can swipe right to like or swipe left to dislike other users' profile. That includes their photo, a short bio, and a list of their interests. Once the application is installed and it is ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in the display. Tap the open button to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Tinder application for your Android device. Now you can start meeting new people, whether you need a date or just want to chat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.